I'm not eating it.
Hannah, what are you eating?
Look what Hannah's eating.
Heidi's making this dinner. And the scary part is Hannah's eating it. What's all in there, Heidi?
It's chips, salt, pepper, and chocolate milk and water.
And you've been eating it, Hannah? Does it taste good?
It tastes kind of bit. These. Nicholas? Wait. I know how to do it.
Now will you eat it, Hannah?
It still tastes good, and there's things in it. Well, it might taste good now, Hannah. I put some good stuff in it. Some fruit. These. We're gonna have good recipe that will make it better.
Okay, Holly's adding.
Cheerios.
Will you eat it now, Hannah?
And I need to cook her. And to make
Does it
this,
taste good, Hannah?
we made it.